Hi everyone, I'm Taylor here at DreamLine with the popular Unidoor-X shower door in brushed nickel. The Unidoor-X, part of our best-selling Unidor shower door collection, is an elegant solution for those wanting a swing shower door. The Unidoor-X is a fully frameless swing shower door. It is constructed from premium 3/8-inch thick certified clear tempered glass. As a bonus, the glass is treated with our exclusive ClearMax water protective glass coating, reducing water spots and eliminating mildew to keep your door looking new for years to come, all while keeping routine upkeep to a minimum. The use of a hinge panel allows for the door to be further away from the wall, creating clearance for outside elements such as a toilet or vanity. The door panel is installed with the glass-to-glass self-closing hinges, and the hinge panel is secured with a sleek U-channel for perfect support that does not infringe on the door's aesthetic. This enables the Unidoor-X to install in openings with or without studs behind the wall, allowing the Unidoor-X to work in just about any shower space. When it comes to installation, the Unidoor-X is reversible for a left or right door opening to fit your specific layout. And, like most DreamLine shower doors, the Unidoor-X is designed with adjustability in mind. The U-channel on the inline panel allows up to 1/2 inch of adjustment to account for an uneven wall or width. And the U-channel for the hinge panel allows for up to 1/4 inch of adjustment for an out-of-plumb condition. Featured today is our 58 to 58.5 inch wide by 72 inch high model. This model is stocked in multiple widths and stunning hardware finishes including chrome, brushed nickel, oil-rubbed bronze, and satin black. The Unidoor-X can be custom made to fit most shower openings when a stock size is not available. When shopping for a DreamLine Unidoor-X, do not forget to pair it with the compatible DreamLine Slimline shower base and our Dreamstone subway tile backwall to complete your dream shower space. Luxurious design combines with unmatched value with DreamLine's Unidoor-X. Complete your bathroom today with the Unidoor-X shower door by DreamLine.